day, Jelly.
Already online. Online order. Wala mo niya sa unahan ni Pep.
Oo, kabantay.
Mga bantay tulog siguro.
Tulog siya ka daw.
Si John ga-drive no, nagta-car mo.
Iligtas na to.
Si Miko? Si Miko ninyo?
Huwag na naman to si Ko. Garin.
Kaya lang, ay makita mo. North, itong dito ng GC, mag-ian ko na to.
Sakto ni nga ruta, South Vegan, Pasaka North.
Oo,
South to.
south yun, pa north ka. Sunog man eh,
Jelly, hands off.
Kanina? Sa Tugbiga? Ito na, overlook dito sa south area. Ito,
How to
south.
cover your mouth? How to cover your mouth? How to cover your mouth?
Baby. No fishy for you. No bad below. No crying baby. Okay, are you a good girl or not?
I'm a good girl.
Okay, Gigi first. Gigi good girl.
Oh, yun.
Nasa loy rin.
This is the big one, Gigi.
Kalimot ko kuha.
Oo, natusuloy
Oh,
yun.
giant. Go buy giant piece later. Mommy has the smallest.
Utos gitong kang Gia gikaon.
Diretso sa
Grabe, nagka-okay this GI. Ito, pinataon. Energy doon niya. Balik ito sa lunag, balik 40 ang hindi sa Sacramento. Karin ka ba?
Oh, sige.
Alis pas-pas. No, this
Oh.
year, school year.
Mao.
Wala yun.
Bike-bike na sila diya. Ilang kalaban din rin, mga beer.
I want some more chocolate.
Oh, later, okay? Go
I want
eating.
some candy.
Camping area.
Nutella
Oh,
bread.
don't have it right
This is,
now,
yeah,
Jelly.
chocolate bread, but like croissant.
Sige lang, hapit na kita.
Bakit na almost galing
Yeah.
na
Hapit na to.
It's like 5 miles.
Mountain sport rental.
Mga camping area ni.
Country snowshoes. Snowshoes, Lakaw snowshoes.
Bike-bike
Ice
ni mga
cream.
tao dire. Ito pagligo ninyo dire.
Get some candy in the bag.
Jelly? Candy is not good for you.
What? Why? I don't have it.
Sugar is bad. You know that is rules.
No candy. I just want Five Below.
At least, pwede mo pala sa rules.
No, let's
Because I
eat.
just want Five Below
No.
tomorrow.
Why Five Below?
Why?
Why like Five Below?
I get to go Five Below.
Five below
I
store?
want Five Below
Oh.
box tomorrow.
Why?
Five below?
Why?
Why Five Below?
Want to go to Joey
Order siya online.
first tomorrow.
Jelly
And
belly.
then we're gonna go back home tomorrow.
Not tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow. The next morning.
23,000 ang population ni South ako. 23,000.
Nagkana.
So and then I wanna go to the pet store.
You buy dog? Pet store man.
Ipromise na mag-isip.
At least na pantay man na sa Walmart.
Walmart?
Oo, wala inyo ha? Nasa mo anong abutan pa ba karo sa Walmart?
Ay,
Tawag
ang
na naman.
sa Walmart.
Gamay pa mga anak, naay daghang isda ng Walmart. Sa una amo ka karon.
Fish, wala.
Ulo eh.
Mga goldfish na ron sa mua. Unsa yung Walmart dito dili super Walmart? Ay nagtuo din ba? Super Walmart na mo ah. Kanay mga appliances.
Oo.
Away nana.
Like
Naana
fish
sa
over
ano
here.
sa una mo ano ako magpalit. Tano. 23,000 ang population ni South ako. 23,000. 23,000 ang population ni South ako. 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 23,000 ang population ni na.
Oh, just my, dagan na ang
Pero wala mo yung like
At the
settings
light,
in
use the
shopping
left 2
wise.
lanes to
Pareho
turn
lang
onto
tapos.
Lake Tahoe Boulevard.
Lapit supermarket.
Dito na sa kanin to na na.
So,
Itong liko-liko lagi, 40 miles mas yung kapin.
In 2.8 miles, arrive at South Lake Tahoe.
There's the ilahang ko na, ilahang deep sea dire.
photo.
Daghan pa man sa nahap. Unahan na ito, ibada na. Wala na sila nagkikana na ba? Linya. Nagko pa dyan kasi nagutin niya. Kaya ito sa unay hard rock, na-close na hard rock, na isa maglain. Wala pa nagkag Las Vegas ang hotel, nagko ba? Dito pa, sa dati matupunta, di ba? Natin mga kuhan, gibutang nila.
Gigi's talking now. Or still sharp.
In 1 mile, arrive at South Lake Tahoe.
Gigi, no grab the baby. Jelly.
Because I just want to cover her eyes.
Hey, no fishy, ah.
I just want to fish.
Okay, you look outside the window. Look, I see some eagles. Sina, find your eagle.
Dili man ta ato dapat ang park.
Ah, diha, diha.
Di pa rin man ang park dyan siguro dyan po na.
No fishing for you.
Diha, makakanaog mo ta diha.
Atos lang
Makanaog ka diha. Ah,
Wala ta mo ato dito sa buwan.
Nice.
nice dire.
Balik na lang tamo.
Your copy me, no. Your copy, no fish for. Your copy, no fish for you. Your copy, no fishy. That's it. That's it. Your copy me because I want Gigi have no fishy.
No fishing. How about you?
No.
You got the fishing.
Yay! Gigi has no fishy.
Di ba ito, unahan pa?
Oh, nakapag.
people you have fishy, okay?
Unahan pa
Because
kita
I
dire.
just want to fish.
Okay,
I want
you better be
So Daddy has no fishing.
Oh, you get another fish. What color is it?
I want to fishing.
Yeah, what color did you get?
Nothing for fishing.
Nobody has their fish tank there.
I just want my fishing. I want to fish.
Fish tank.
No, we gotta cover
Guys, unahan pa
ourselves.
dire. So this type guys ma?
Spektrum.
Panda or five guys?
Asa tong panda?
Pangitaw na to na dire.
Amor dire dire ba to?
Hey,
Oh,
you're
di unahan.
fishing. No fishing for you.
Kalimot
No.
ko.
Jelly.
No fishing.
Indoor boys.
Me,
Daddy has disabled parking.
so
Mura panda oh.
Oh, asa maka-park ano?
Gawa sa ta.
Underground.
Sa
make
mini
some
parking
food like
for
spicy.
spectacular.
Tuyok lang.
We just
Balik
make
ka.
some
Dito
spicy
sa ating area.
noodles.
Nagalit tayo outside.
Apoy ramen.
I just
Na
want
ramen?
the noodle.
Asa man? Dire?
Hey, you left my banana
Diha, diha.
express.